Stop.
Yes, guys, we are selling US30. You can add more positions once it gets into this era. But guys, make sure that you're applying proper risk management as well on the other side. But once it gets into this era, make sure that because before it goes into the direction, it first takes the opposite direction. Manipulations, guys. So yeah, and it's Monday today, so that's have to take things a bit slow.
Admin of the year. Thank you. So kind.
So guys, you can see that so far on the estate is no much momentum. Let me just mute everyone, guys. Please make sure that you are muted there on your side as well. Make sure that you are muted on your side as well. So guys, we're just waiting for US30 to come and tap into these areas here. Then that's when we're gonna add another position of US30. Once it comes and tap into these areas here, that's when we're gonna come and tap in and add another position. But for now, let's just apply some bit of patience and see how this candlestick, because the close of this candlestick, guys, this 5-minute candlestick is the one that is very important now. So we're just waiting on it to see how the market is gonna close. We're just waiting on it to see how the candle is gonna close. But if you can check here, guys, this is the resistance that we had, and market didn't break. And you can see that market didn't break this resistance. As you can see, market didn't break this resistance. So usually to go for the second resistance, it's the first one goes for the second resistance before going to the direction. Like we are approaching the third quarter, so we might have to adjust to these changes that US30 is currently having. But we just seeing that now it's coming to this area here, to this resistance. We start seeing now that it's coming to this resistance. So yeah, you just see that now it's coming to this resistance. So yeah, let me just look to add another position. I just added another position. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna hold now and see what's gonna happen. What's the price? What's the market's gonna do? So guys, let's just wait now and see what the market's gonna do. So let's just now wait and see what the market's gonna do. Let's just go to 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, guys, we're gonna see clearly that this candlestick is gonna be a rejection. This candlestick is gonna be a rejection, a very, very big, weak rejection. A very, very big, weak rejection. So now let's just wait, guys, and see how this candlestick is gonna close. Because that's the most important thing now. That's the most important thing now, guys. That's the most important thing now. So let's just wait and see. So guys, let's just wait now. I hope everyone, guys, out there at home is applying proper risk management for this kind of moves, these fake moves. I hope everybody's applying some proper risk management out there. I hope everybody's applying proper, nice risk management. This third quarter, guys, is gonna be very, very interesting, to be honest. Third quarter is gonna be very, very, very interesting because I see that the market, especially with US30, because you know that I trade US30 a lot. I've seen that it's do a lot of manipulation. I've seen it doing this. I've seen how it moves with as we are approaching the third quarter. It usually do this lot of manipulation. I've seen that. So it's gonna be very, very nice. The good thing is I was able to adjust to it as early as possible, as I did tell you guys that I was able to adjust to it. It's the 15-minute chart. Yes, MV. I'm on 15-minute time frame, guys. I'm just looking for this 15-minute candlestick rejection. but we are here on 5-minute time frame. Just don't stress yourself. We are here on 5-minute time frame. You can see that, guys, on 5-minute time frame, we check into this area here. I told you that usually we skip this first resistance, we come to the next one, we test it, and then you see market pushing to our direction. So now let's just wait and see. On 15-minute time frame, the reason I went to 15-minute time frame is because I want to show you that this is going to be a rejection. As I told you that this is going to be what? It's going to be a rejection. It's going to be a fake move. As I was telling you guys, that we tend to face a lot of these manipulations in the market. They come a lot, especially now that we are approaching third quarter of this year. So you know that the market constantly keeps on evolving and changing. So we're expecting these kind of changes on US30. So yeah, guys, there are two possible ways. Just that we started this session late, but I wanted to tell you this, guys. There are two possible ways that we can enter these markets now, because I've noticed that the market is indeed changing. Usually US30, when US30 does movement based on previous quarter, it wasn't doing rejections a lot. It wasn't doing a lot of rejections. But now we've seen US30 doing these rejections. Why is that so? It's because of now we are approaching third quarter. So we've seen that the market constantly keeps on evolving and changing. So we've got to evolve with the market and change with the market. That's what makes you to be the best trader, if you are able to evolve and change with what the market is constantly doing. Are we still holding, Roland? Yes, my brother, we're still holding. I'm just holding just a nice profit on my other account. On my other account, I'm just holding just about break even. On my other account, I'm holding a nice profit. On my other account, I'm holding nice profit. Oh, you guys closed. I came again. My network cheap. Yeah. Even on my side, my network was very bad. But yeah, it is what it is. So, guys, now let's just wait and see. But based on that, we're approaching the fifth quarter. So we usually seeing this lot of manipulations that are happening in the market. Seeing myself, I'm still holding. Guys, what we basically can do now. What you basically can do now is that you can just put your stop loss just above this resistance here, this line here. You can put your stop loss just above this line here, just to make sure that if it happens that this price, it do pushes above this area here and break above, then you want to be closing our position. But I really doubt it's going to do that. I really doubt. So now you're just going to have to hold and see what's going to happen. But just to be safe, you can put your stop loss just above somewhere here. Just above somewhere here. You can put your stop loss just above somewhere here. Where I go to Mamba Michael resistance point, please. Okay, let me just give you guys the price. It's 35132. 35132. 35132. Guys, these results that I keep on showing you is a result that is back tested. I don't just trade based on I'm guessing where the market is gonna. I know 35132. Yes. That's the one. Thanks, Laurent. Thanks, guys. I know what is happening in the market. I know the market. It will always do one and the same thing, guys. It will always do one. I know these markets, guys. Like I can't say I was born to these things, but I know how the market moves. You see what I'm saying? This is gonna be a very, very nice rejection, and we're gonna see price pushing to the downside. It's because of, guys, it's because of we are approaching third quarter now. Because of we're approaching third quarter, the market has to evolve. Mamba, you're breaking its network. Karabo, it's network, probably it's network. Probably is network. But yeah, noted. Yeah, but guys, the reason we're facing a lot of manipulations like this is because of now we're approaching third quarter. Market killer, Mamba, David Impet. You know my brother. It's because of we're approaching third quarter, guys. So on the third quarter, we usually see market doing these fake moves and all that. I've been doing back testing because of, I love you so much, guys, and I do a lot of researches. I know how the market moves. So yeah, guys. So now I'm holding nice profits on both trades, both accounts. I'm holding nice profit. I hope you guys as well there at home, you're holding nice profit with the Mamba. Let me see if there's someone who entered at the top as well, because I did tell you that we're looking to add another position here. Because I know, guys, I know these things, guys. Not like I'm doing any mystery or whatsoever, guys. I know how the market. I'm just closing the first order now. I'm just closing the first order now. I just closed in about 2K on the first position. I just closed in about 2K on the first. Please touch on today's session by tomorrow morning. Please touch. What I'm gonna do, guys, after this, okay, let's just leave this one. $53 in profit, members. That's powerful, my brother. But guys, I want to show you something now. Let's just you can just let me just move this on the side. I want to show you something, guys, that I've been telling you about. I want to show you something that I was telling you about. Okay, guys, so now this is some bit of like educational, because of I know, guys, that as much as I'm teaching you, I'm trading live with you, but you need to know these things and how to do them on your own. So now I want to show you guys. So now let's say this is our resistance, and then this is our support. Now we have we have this resistance and we have this support. So what basically happened, let me just make it a bit slow. So what basically happened, guys, is that we see price playing between these areas. Let's say now price is playing these areas, and now it's 3:30. So what happens is that if price didn't break these areas here, what's gonna happen, because of now we are on third quarter, guys, what basically gonna happen is that we're gonna see US30 is gonna skip this area here, and then it's gonna skip this area again. So what basically gonna happen is that it's gonna skip this resistance and come and test this resistance. Once it tests this resistance, after that, we're gonna see it shooting to the downside, to that direction. So what it's basically doing, it's taking people out of the price of the position and then moving into the direction. So you see that these are the changes that are happening. Same thing that applies with selling. So if the market on the downside didn't break this resistance, it will look for the second resistance, not the first one from this one, from the second support, but it's gonna be looking for the second support from this support, and then test it and then move into the upside direction. So this is basically, guys, is something that we will have to adjust to it, because that's how the market now is evolving and is moving now. So let's just see what's happening now. Okay, what did I say, guys? What did I say? I told you guys that the market is gonna reject, and now I bet everyone is holding nice profit. I told you that the market is gonna reject. Look at that. Everyone is in profit now. Let me see how much are you holding, guys. I see here Susam Simang is holding $53 in profit. Let me see, guys, how much are you holding? Let me see, guys. We in nice. I
Mamba.
see you know, my brother. We're eating. Guys, we know these things, guys. We know It's something new.
It's
not something new. It's not something new, guys.
My guy, I'm swimming in blues.
That's powerful, my brother. That's powerful. Guys, let's see people who are swimming in blues. Guys. Let's see people who are swimming in blues. Like the market, guys, will always do one and the same thing. Like once you do backtesting, you know your story. The market will always do one and the same thing. The market will always do one and the same thing, always. Yeah, guys, my network is a bit Sihamba, $61 so far. Really, that's powerful. Guys, we're eating. So guys, I'm out of the building now. But you can still hold. Just make sure that the one that you are in profit with, you move your stop loss to break even to make sure that you don't give back the profit. And then yeah, we're eating, guys. I just closed in about 2K here on my account. I just closed in about 2K. 2.5, I guess. Yeah, but yeah, it is what it is, guys. Make sure, guys, that you send those screenshots as well in the group. Make sure that, guys, you send those screenshots so that I can be able to, you know. But guys, this was a nice trade, and we have to know now when to enter and how to enter. The first position that we're gonna be entering, as I did today, we enter with less or smaller size. Then the second position, that's when we know that we are entering on the second resistance or support. That's when the market is going to do its things to be done. So thank you so much, guys. Please make sure, guys, that you lock your profit and you hold. And then one thing again, guys, just make sure that you know how to manage the trade as well. Make sure that you know how to manage the trade, just to make sure that you capitalize on maximizing your profit. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'm out of the building. I'm out of the building. I'm out of the building.
Shout out, Mamba. Shout out, Mamba.
Yeah, you know, my brother. You know, we're out of the building, guys. We're out of the building.